Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube channel visible in YouTube search. So first of all, what you have to do is simply hop on to studio.youtube.com to open your YouTube studio. Here you will be able to manage all of your information, your content about your YouTube channel. Every YouTuber uses it. So after that, what you have to do is simply click on settings and then click on channel. Now what you have to, in the basic info, click on keywords. For instance, if I type any keyword, it will be written as a tag. So if you're running, for example, if you're running a tech YouTube channel, then what you have to do is type in all the tags related to your tech channel, tech, phones, Samsung, Apple, something like that. So I have done a small Google search, best tags for a tech channel, and it has given me some suggestions and most common YouTube hashtags. You can use all of them. For gamers, you can use these, and for hashtag for fashion and beauty, all of them. So this is your work to do. You have to input here the appropriate tags that are popular. After you have done that, for instance, I will type in just single. You can type as many as you can, as 500 keywords are the limit. So click on save once you're done. And then what you have to do is go to the customization tab, and here you will be able to see this kind of interface. What you have to do is scroll down and find description box. Now in the description box, you will see it's empty. So if your description box is empty, that's a major factor why your YouTube channel is not being shown in the search results. So what you have to do is type a small paragraph which will tell about your channel. I will show you about fashion, about tech, and you will be whatever. You have to give a small description about your channel, and make sure to include your channel name in the description, like in a sentence. Okay, so once you have done that, enter the description, then click on save, and you're good to go. And after some time, when your channel gets recognition, your channel will be easily able to be searchable on YouTube search results. That's simply how you can make your YouTube channel visible in YouTube search. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.